Oh shit, there we go. First, this is what you, oh, whoa! We are going to work on the CLX today because it's the only time I have this week. What we're going to do is we're going to take these off. If I have enough time, I'll put the stickers on. And then we're going to change the handlebar. I have bar end mirrors coming. I have levers coming. I have a few things coming, but you know how it is. Can't keep anything stock, but working smarter, not harder. You need to get this tool right here. It's like a plastic vinyl, scraper. It won't scratch up the paint. You can see, have some residue there. Try my best not to have any residue. That one pretty clean. Perfect. Don't need that. Oops. Let's clean that off real quick. This is basically soap and water. And we're good. Any leftover residue? We're good. So I see a little bit there, but I don't know. So let's do this. Put that away. So I'm also going to be changing the stickers today. Right here. So you guys seen the stock already, so I'm going to take those off today too. Just to switch it up a little bit. Like I could have used a heat gun. I do have one. However, I think it's just too powerful for this. If you're like me and you're watching this channel, you know that I don't like anything stock. So here you go. Nice. I'm gonna keep it. I think that the stickers I'm gonna put are a bit tasteful. Pretty much a go right there. Throw those away. Just clean this. Get a new one. Lloyd, let me get a new one like this. Hey, about go like this, babe. Put that in laundry. Come on, let's go. 5, 4, 3. There's a contest. So I think it looks a lot better already. I'm also gonna put some stuff on the wheels. That's good. Now, I'm gonna be taking handlebars off. Let's just see if this is a good fit for everything. Now, there are gonna be things that we'll work on down the road, where for carbon fiber stuff and things like that. Not right now, but down the road. So, let's start. Pretty good. Very nice weighted bar ends. I won't be getting rid of those, but very nice weighted bar ends. Ooh, it's hard in there. Oh wow. Gotta manually do it now. Need an adapter. We need an adapter. The hell's my adapter? Where's my adapter? The hell are my adapters? The heck are my adapters? Oh my goodness. Don't want to force that. Is it this? No. It's this one. Wow. Oh, this one is actually to the left. We're going to try to do this without breaking it because I do want to save it. Let's see. Loosen those, sorry. That wasn't even tight. Okay. Aside from doing this, I need to adjust it because the way the handle, it was set up, it just wasn't what I wanted. Because I think they were in a bit of a rush, to be honest with you, in doing all of this. To be honest with you, can I hang it there? Let's go on the other side. That's another thing though, look. I don't know why. I don't have an air machine, so I'm gonna have to find a way to take this off without, I don't know if they put the glue in here. And I don't want to cut it either, because just in case I ever want to use it again. Matter of fact, I might have to cut it. I can always buy new ones. Fuck it. This one's always easy to pick out, take out, comes out. Skinniest. This might not be the skinniest. No. There it is. There it goes. There's one. I'm not saying they're bad. It's not my style, but they are soft. For those of you who are wondering. This one. Used to do. Try that old trick. If it works still, reverse this sucker over. I'm not gonna be able to flip it around. There it is. Let's go. Now we're gonna just try to take these off. Take that. Don't want to drop that. What do we have down here? This is a crosshead Phillips. Let's do it here. Top. There's the top. That's the bottom. Hang that over. Remember to always, I'm gonna just hang this, but not really hang it. I'm gonna just try to be as careful as I can. Just place it on here. Place it on there. I believe this is that one. So you saw the handlebar before. I just didn't feel that it wasn't aggressive enough for me, which I'm coming from aggressive positioning in any way, but I wanted to just make it a little bit more aggressive, right? Just a little bit more aggressive. Not too much, but a bit lower, nothing too forward, but just, you know, a bit more aggressive. You know, so, let me see. What do we have here? Two here. Okay. Okay. So this one, I believe, is this one. Short one. That ain't it. This is it. Keep in mind that short one goes on top here. So we're just gonna, right there. This is the angle right now. Bit forward, but I want to see what happens with the next one. Loosen this a bit. Same size. Same size. Oh shit, there we go. First one. First nick. But this is the part. Don't tell me it doesn't come off. It has to come off. There it is. This is the handlebar. Right, so let's throw this on here. It's safe there. The new one that we got is, let me just take off the hardware. Oops. New hardware we got. Take that off. I'm gonna put this to the side. So the new hardware that we got should be a bit, it is lighter, which doesn't really matter to me, but it is shorter. Right here. I don't know if you can see. At least a couple inches shorter. I don't know if you can see that. So we're gonna put this on. So we are at, that's centered. That should be centered right there. That looks centered. That looks centered. I'm having some resistance here. Is that the right way? That seems to be the way. Now I'm going to try my best to center it. I'm not gonna lock it in yet because I still gotta measure it out. Oops. Well, that got me going. Now let's play around with this thing. I'm just gonna hand tighten that for now. So let me just move this stuff. Now, technically, before this is what you, whoa! That's not sturdy. Let me just make it straight. Now, it's totally up to you how you want to ride it. I don't want to be too hunched over like this, which I kind of look stupid. I would have to flip it around, but something similar to maybe right here. This seems more like it for me. Right here. Before I was a bit into here, but here I'm so comfortable here. I don't want it to be cafe racer, but somewhere like here is fine for me. There's a degree of aggressiveness. Too far out is weird, right? So I don't know if you see the point of view right here. Generally speaking, I don't want to be here where I'm just like this. I do want to be forward just a bit, but not too much. This is over exaggerating at this point. Just go right here. But then again, how would it feel if I came here? Turning would suck. It would be more cafe racer like at that point. Just for, you know, fitment's sake, because I just want to try it out actually. Because you kind of get your feel and everything like that. Let me just play with this. Come on. Now, if I put it this way, whoa, that's pretty aggressive. That's freaking aggressive. That doesn't make any sense. The only way that makes sense is here. That just makes no sense whatsoever. Oh, I don't know, dude. This is kind of weird. I gotta go to one of these. No, I don't want that. I'd rather get that on my street bike. We're going the other way, but we are just going to just fit it properly here. We're just gonna figure it out. Now, I don't have a measuring tape at the moment. I'm just gonna eyeball it, to be honest with you. I'm just gonna eyeball where I need it to be. I'm thinking right here feels good. Right here, even right here. Let me do that. Right here, too much. Right there feels way comfortable for me. To turn it, right here feels good to me, honestly, because this is, I'm too far in. This is too far. Right here feels, for some reason, great for me. Right here. Tighten that up a bit. Right here it feels good for me, right here. Babe. Ooh-wee. Okay. Does this look more aggressive? But it looks nicer? I mean, the last one was the hair before. Yeah. This one looks a bit, it's not really up, but it's not like crazy aggressive.
Cafe racer looks?
Yeah. This is good, right?
Pero di ba sa mga kanana sa mga kuhan?
No, it feels comfortable for me. My next one's gonna be for the really race ones.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I wish I knew to drive. I like to drive like this.
Well, you can train on it. All right, that's locked in. I got the wife's approval. Okay, there you go. On my chest. So this seems way more organic for me. We're good. Wow. Yeah. Put everything back now. See where that falls. Oh, I should just. Oh, I gotta take it off. Oh, just from excitement, probably, more than likely. Throw that back on. Throw it back on. All right, remember, as this thing, the top goes up here, bottom goes up down here. The bottom one in first. Oh boy. I always hate doing these. I wish. Oh, there we go. Come on, girl. There we go. There we go. Double check that. Now I'm gonna just softly throw everything back together before being official or locking everything in. Okay. Just clean everything up. Something's not right. We're gonna put it back at a particular place. That probably had a guarantee. It had a thing in there. Let me just mark that up. I forgot these bikes had that. Let me mark that up and that'll make a hole right there. That's the edge of it right there. Guys, I'm gonna put it to the very edge of it, hoping not to obstruct anything. It's the very edge of that brake. I'll pull it down here just a bit. Hopefully not giving too much. I'll lightly lock it up right now just to, so it won't move anymore. I'll just do it lightly, nothing too crazy, just for not to move a bit. And then I will do my best to move this right there. So this right here, this needs to be right here. This basically needs to be right here to feel good right here, right there. Is that the furthest I can put it in? Yeah, that's right there. I need to modify this up just a bit. Roughly that thing is, I would have to say, right there. I wonder if I can get away with just pushing it in. Let's do that real quick. I'll try to just mark it up right here. Let's see what type of drill bit this is. Masonry. Let's just do it properly the first time, so I'm gonna do it again. I think I really believe it's this one. Let's test it on this one. Oh, too big. I was wrong. It's this one. Wow. Oh yeah. Let's do this. Okay, I kind of did it roughly where I needed it to be. Oh, let's just put this away right here. So let's just move this out of place and we're going to try to attempt to drill it. I don't want to ruin it. I have to move it out. A bit of a headache, but it's worth it because we want to do it right the first time, obviously. There's my towel. Shuffle over. Let's get it done. Hang this right there. Let's just put this right here. So I marked it up where I needed to put it. Oh, wow. Funny bone. Oh, yeah. We found it. Oh, funny bone hit. Got it. Oh, let's see if that's a go. Let's see. That to the very edge. Put that. Test fit this sucker in here. I'm gonna put this to the very edge of things. Tighten that for now for fitment. Oh, we did it wrong again. We gotta get this thing over. Sorry guys. So we're gonna adjust that later on, but we're just gonna lightly screw this on here just for it to be a bit more sturdy, like I said before. And we'll test fit whether that screw goes right in. Okay, perfect, goes right in. I think this should happen. Once again, I don't know about you, I'm gonna put the bottom in first. It makes more sense, for me at least. Then we're gonna find that top I'm gonna try to grab it and get it out of there. Oh, pop it in there. Perfect, we're in. Just gotta try and drop it in. Locked in. And try and drop it back a bit. Locked in here. I could have just put it a little bit more into there, but I didn't, so we're gonna be stuck with that for now. I gotta find where I put those bits. Where did I put you? There you go. I'm not gonna bolt everything down because I gotta do it for fitment. For like, I'm not bolting everything down. I just wanna make sure that for like my writing, I'll just make it like well, not that hard. Okay, got some movement. I'll put this out there. Put this away for now. Put the other side on. We have some excess there, but we'll see what happens. I think it might be the furthest I can put it in. I might be able to do it, but I don't want to drill into it anymore. It's pretty fine for me. I'm still getting braking. I'll play around with it later, honestly. Let's do this. Let's take this out. Oh, fuck. So this one has another one to lock it into place. So this one, just put those right for now. We're going to drill this one as well. Try to get it in a way where I'm comfortable as possible. So, you know, I can pull this back a bit. Put that down just a bit. Stock as possible. You know, gotta try to keep it tight on there before that bend. That's kind of like my positioning for this whole entire thing. I just want to get it as tight as I can right here. I can already tell that I do want this lower here. I might just pre-adjust it to where I would like it to be. I like my things like low right here. It's kind of like semi-locked in. And then here, I kind of have to, where's my shit? Where is it? I'm just eyeballing this at this point. Whoops, which battery's out. And do it without taking it out. I might. That's dangerous. I'm gonna change those out anyway, but we'll try to catch it. What the fudge? There's always that one thing in those little projects that are like, what the hell type things. Clean that up a bit. Moment of truth. Did we do it correctly? Because I don't know, dude. Oh boy. We did not do it correctly. It's literally right next to it. Okay, let's try this. There we go. We're good. Forgot where the long one goes, to be honest with you. Let's do a rough mounting on here. Almost done. Before I tighten everything up. Oh, here we go. So that's it. Hey everyone, so I had to switch views a bit. Switch cameras because the Ace Pro 2 is getting really hot and I didn't want to burn it out. So we are now just going to tighten everything up. Oh, let me just put things away as I am going because I'm still going to test drive it. And also back a shot right now. So let's just put everything back together. Next week I'll be getting new things anyway. I'm gonna have to take things off again. Compared to before, I'll do some back-to-back things about before. Clean stuff. Is this it? Nope, that's not it. Gotta just. Nonetheless, let's put the old one back on. Thank God it didn't. Let's put the old ones in. Why don't you close the door? Well, no bar ends for now. Till the bar ends come in. How's this look from before?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get my new mirrors. I got you. Let's go play. I'm gonna test it real quick. Hey everyone, so I got the new handlebars on here. What do you think? I am a bit. I don't know if you can hear me. I am a bit forward. I would have to say it's very similar to when I drove my friend's Monster. It is a bit more aggressive. It's a bit way more leaning forward, but comfortable nonetheless. It still gives me that, but a lot more aggressive than honestly than the other one, than the original one. This one makes me feel a bit more used to what I was driving before, sports bikes and such.